In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cast screen of a mobile device on a PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the web browser. For this case, I'll be using Chrome. Now, you need to download a third-party application. So just type in the browser Scrcpy. I think this is for Scrcpy. Now go to the website go to the GitHub website. So the first link, you can find the link on the description below. Now when you're in this website, just scroll down up until you get to the apps. Now you can see here we have three categories. We have Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. You need to select the correct correct operating system for your computer. For this case, I'm running on Windows operating system, so I'll select the second one for Windows. Now here again we need to select the correct computer architecture. If you are running on the 64-bit, select that. If you are running on 32-bit, you need to select 32-bit. So click that to download the files, and up above you can see that there's some downloading process that is going on. Now after we have downloaded that, I'll just go to download files. I need to let me just cut this so that I can paste here for easy access. So Control V. Now these files, you can see it's a zipped file, so I'll need to extract. So just right click to extract all the files, just right here, and we have extracted the files. If you double click, you can see all the files are right inside that folder. Now let me just minimize this, and then now in the next step, you need to connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. I repeat that, just connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable, and then go to your phone. Now I am on my phone. Go to settings, and then scroll to systems down at the bottom. Now in the system, go to about phone, and then go to bill number. You need to click this bill number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 7th tap, you'll get into developers mode. So when you are in the developers mode, you need now to go back. So I'll just click on this arrow to get back, and then go to this developer option. So when you're in this developer option, you scroll down until you get to USB. Let me just scroll down. So under debugging section, you'll see the first selection here is USB debugging. Make sure that you click on it. For your case, it will not be selected, so you need to click on it for it to turn on, and then after that just close that down, and then go to our files. Remember the files that you extracted, and double click on this application with the exe extension. Just double click on it. And then you'll have your screen right there. So that's the quickest and simplest method that you can use to cast a screen of your phone, mobile phone, on the PC using a USB cable and a third-party application that you've just downloaded called Scrcpy. So that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.